Ekonin, absent sa 40 days ni superstar Nora Aunor. Lot-lot, may nakakaantig na mensahe. Nagbahagi ang award-winning actress na si Lotlot De Leon sa kanyang Instagram account ng mahabang mensahe para sa 40 days ng namayapang ina na si superstar national artist Nora Aunor. Ayon sa naging caption ni Lotlot, "It's been 40 days since you left us, but not a single day goes by without us thinking of you. The mass celebrated by Father Eugene was truly beautiful. He flew all the way from Palawan just to be with us today. He spoke about you and the meaning of love, and I couldn't help but remember when you told me and Matet, magmahalan kayong 5 ha. Ma, hanggang ngayon, yang bilin mo, susundin at isa sa buhay namin. Sure na sure naman yan. Your resting place at libingan ng mga bayani is beautiful. Mami, still surrounded by flowers. Even after all this time, I reached out to Miss Red and asked for something special for today. And Mother J of Amante Flowers arranged the most beautiful white roses by your grave maker. Ang ganda po, Ma." The weather was kind, warm, but the breeze carried a gentle peace that comforted us. I know this is what you would wanted, simple and solemn. It's still hard, Ma. There are moments when I have so much I want to say I can't put into words. But when I think of you and I know you're in a better place, kasama na sila Lola, somehow I find peace. Rest now, Mommy. Kakayanin namin to. Kaya namin dahil dala-dala ka pa rin namin sa puso namin. Love you, Ma. Lot. Nagkomento naman ang isang fan na si Life and the Living Planet. Too late for that Lot-Lot. Mother want love when they're still living, not when they are already dead. Agad-agad naman itong ni-res baka ni Angela 1130 at Life and the Living Planet. It's easy to make assumption based on limited information, but let's remember that we only see a small snippet of Miss Lot and her siblings' lives through social media. Judging their decision to post about their mother now and speculating about their family dynamics is not only insensitive but also inaccurate. Family relationships are complex and deeply personal. What might seem unusual to an outsider could have a completely different context within the family. Rape is deeply personal journey, and there's no right or wrong way to experience or express it. The timing of their tribute is entirely their own, and it's not our place to question or criticize their choices. Instead of focusing on what we don't know, let's offer our support and understanding. Let's create a space of empathy and respect, allowing them the space to grieve and honor their mother in their own way, at their own pace. Their experience is theirs alone, and judging their actions only adds to their pain during an already difficult time. Let's choose kindness and compassion. Tila sumang-ayon naman si Miss Lotlot kay Angela at tanging white heart emoji lang ang ikinomento ni Balot. Samantala, absent naman ang panganay na anak ni Lotlot na si Janine at ang nobyo nitong si Jericho Rosales sa naging pagdalaw at 40 days ng lola ni Janine na si Nora. Hinahanap nga ang dalawa sa naturang pagdalaw na yun nila ni Lotlot sa puntod ng superstar. May mga kumalat naman na larawan ang Ekonin kung saan magkasama sila, pero wala namang balita kung kailan kuha ang larawan na yon at kung yun daw ba ay sa 40 days ni Nora naganap. na tila may importanteng lakad ang magjowa kaya wala at hindi nakasama nila Lotlot sa puntod ng ina. Tanging sina Diego, Jessica at Max ang kasama ni Balot, kasama rin ang mga kapatid na sina Ian, Matet, Kenneth, Kiko, kasama rin ang ilang mga pamangkin at syempre present ang asawa ni Lotlot na si Fadi Alsori. Ang tanong, asan kaya sina Janine at Jericho at bakit sila wala sa mismong 40 days ng namayapang superstar? Alamin natin yan sa mga susunod na araw. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video nito, comment down below.